Ta-da! Yes, it is, my friend. What is this? Wow, so many muddy car. A lot of muddy car here. Okay. Alright. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Let's go. Very nice, my friend. Okay. Be careful. Watch out, my friend. See? What is this? Oh, muddy car. Liquid. Aha. Okay, sorry. Let's go, my friends. And see? Beautiful water. Fresh water, my friend. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What is this, my friend? Okay. See? What is this, my friend? This is tomato, my friend. Very nice tomato. Clean already. Hey. And what is this? Haha, me queen. Red one. Alright. Messy. Alright. What is this, my friend? Let's see. Whoa, the blue one.
Hey, boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Good. Very nice. Okay, no problem. And this is amazing, my friend. This is Sari. Okay, go, Sari. Very nice, Sari. Alright, what is this? Okay, Ramirez. The yellow one, good. Very nice, my friend. Oh, what is this? Okay. Ta-da! This is a tower. Tower, my friend. Very good. What is this, my friend? Amazing. This is rally one. Rally car. Clean. Okay. And what is this? Okay. Formula One. Very good. Formula One. And this one is amazing, my friend. Wow. Chief, my friend. See? Very good. Beautiful Jeep. This one, the red one. Of color. This is a fire rescue. See? Very nice. Fire rescue. Okay. What is this? See? Okay. Double cabin. Whoa, double cabin, my friend. Very nice. What do you think about this, my friend? This is Thomas.
Yes, sir, I am, but there are a lot more of them, so it takes long.
Okay. Nice. And what this? Oh, this is Tayo.
Made it again. Okay, I'm off.
Tayo, my friend, nice. Okay. Okay, this is the big one, my friend. Oh, this is a beautiful truck, my friend. Alright. Very nice. And this one is, what do you think, my friend? This is clean already. Okay. Rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Ooh. Alright. This one is a drag race, my friend.
71 Ford, but we watched this guy go down a racetrack, the nitrous engine, all those kits.
Okay, very nice, beautiful drag race. What is this? Amazing loader. Woohoo, good, very nice. And this one is the Molen car. See? Big one, okay? And this one is, what do you think? Plane, my friend. Clean. Okay. And what this is? Haha, amazing. This is a rally car. What do you think, rally car? Good? Nice. This one. Wow. Police car. Very good, my friend. Nice. And this one, what is this? Haha, amazing. Amazing, this is beautiful green tire.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Okay, and this one is a big truck. See, my friend, big truck. Okay, very good. Alright, and this one is a snow tractor. Very good, my friend. Okay, nice. And this one is, what is this? This is a Jackson Storm, my friend. Okay. This one is, what is this? Amazing open monster flap. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. And this one is a tire. Hello, tire.
Right. Oh, nice!
Hey, I've got one.
I go in the school tire. Good. Okay. And this one is all tandem. Haha, good. Alright. The last one. What is this? This is a tiger. Ooh.
With their signature orange fur and black stripes, tigers have become
Whoa. Beautiful tiger, my friend. Done, my friend already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Bye-bye, my friend.